Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Kumar Sinha. Welcome once again back to my channel with a new topic. In this very video, I would discuss the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. To understand this very relationship between the two, you must know the concept of total utility and marginal utility that I have already discussed in my previous videos, and the links for those videos are given in the description. Please go through those concepts to understand clearly the relationship between the two, that is total utility and marginal utility. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. As you know, the total utility is the sum total of the additional satisfaction derived from the additional units consumed of that commodity. That is, it is the sum total of the marginal utilities of all the units consumed of that commodity. Similarly, what we learned in the past, in the previous video, I have already discussed about the marginal utility too. What is marginal utility? It is the additional satisfaction derived from the consumption of additional unit of any commodity. Then, to understand the relationship between the two, let's have a look on the board where I have drawn a schedule as well as a figure having total utility. This is TU, total utility, and that is MU, that is marginal utility curve. And there is a schedule MU and TU, and this is the number of units consumed. What is the observation from this schedule? First, go through the schedule. This is the second column, shows us the marginal utilities of the various units of that commodities consumed. As we know that there is an inverse relationship between the units of the commodity consumed and the marginal utility. And that's why marginal utility continuously fall due to increase in any additional unit of that commodity. But so far as total utility is concerned, as you know, total utility first increases up to a certain unit of consumption, reaches to its maximum, and then after that unit of consumption it goes on decreasing. So as this number of units consumed goes on increasing, total utility increases but at decreasing rate, which is shown by this decreasing marginal utility of every unit consumed at that commodity. तो टोटल और मार्जिनल में अगर हम आते हैं शेड्यूल में, तो व्हाट इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन? when there is a continuous fall in marginal utility, then the total utility increases at decreasing rate. And when this marginal utility reaches to, that is 6 unit, where it reaches to 0, that is called the point of satiety. And at this level of consumption, that is at 6 unit, this is marginal 0, but this is the total which is at its maximum, and that point is called as point of complete satisfaction, that is point of satiety, that I already discussed in my previous videos. And beyond that point of satiety, if further consumption is continued, then what is the observation? That total satisfaction decreases but the marginal becomes negative. मतलब उस पॉइंट के बाद मार्जिनल नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और टोटल सेटिस्फैक्शन घटेगा. मतलब रिलेशनशिप हमारा क्या आया कि जब मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी फॉल करेगा बट स्टिल इट इज रिमेनिंग पॉजिटिव. व्हेन मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी फॉल्स बट रिमेन्स पॉजिटिव, total increases at decreasing rate. When marginal utility reaches to 0, then total is at its maximum, and when marginal becomes negative, total utility, that is, decreases. The same relationship is there in this figure, where this is the total utility curve sloping upward, changing its curvature beyond this unit of consumption, that is OQ1, and after that it goes downwards, dipping downwards, bit it called is decreases, घटेगा. तो हमें क्या देखते हैं? Now this is the MU curve. MU curve continuously fall, that is having a negative slope. It slopes downward from left to right because of the inverse relationship between the units of the commodity consumed and the additional satisfaction derived. Now during this part, means from 1 unit to OQ1 unit, this is the, ये हमारा है ना कंजम्पशन का जो फेज है फ्रॉम वन यूनिट दैट इज फर्स्ट यूनिट to OQ1 unit, marginal continuously falls, and at this OQ1 unit it reaches to 0, which is the here sixth unit. At this point of consumption, mu is equal to 0, and that is the point of satiety. And beyond that point of, that is satiety, if further consumption is continued and the consumer is consuming OQ2 unit of consumption, then what is the observation? Total decreases and marginal is becoming negative. The same relationship can be explained with the help of figure. Whenever there is a question in your examination paper, to explain the relationship between the two with the help of a figure, then you have to draw the figure, otherwise you will not get marks. गलत नहीं होगा, नंबर नहीं मिलेगा. But if the explanation is required with the help of a schedule, then you have to draw a schedule, not a figure. In both the situations, you will lose marks if it does not match with the requirement of the question. And therefore, you have to answer your questions in the light of the conditions given in the question. That is to be explained with the help of schedule or figure. Means now on the basis of the two explanations, what we observe, that is the first part. Now this is the first unit of consumption, marginal 10, total 10. Here also this is the first unit of consumption. Both the curves intersect. In the graphical part, whenever two lines intersect, then at that point the two quantities become equal. Here the same situation is there. Whenever total utility and the marginal utility curve intersect at a point, means at this first unit, TU, means at this point, this is TU is equal to MU. Both the quantities are equal. But beyond this, as the units of consumption increases, total utility curve slopes upward. Marginal utility curve slopes downward, means there is a continuous fall in the marginal utility, but the total grows gradually sloping upward, means it increases. When it is at its zero part, then total is at maximum, and then beyond this unit of consumption, when it becomes negative, then total decreases. That all the relationship between the two has been summed up here. First one, that is number one, that is also the definition. Total satisfaction, that is utility, is the sum total of the marginal utilities of all the units consumed of a commodity. That is TUN, means number of units consumed. If it is N, then we get the total of each and every units of marginal utility derived from those units, that is mu1 up to nth unit तक सबका जोड़ देंगे, then we get the total, which can be written in the mathematical format like this, which I have already discussed in my previous videos. Second one, number two, when marginal utility falls, marginal घटेगा, but still it is positive, then total utility increases at decreasing rate. And when the third one, when marginal becomes zero, total is at the maximum part. And number fourth, when marginal becomes negative, total utility decreases. It means total utility will not increase forever. It will reach to its a maximum point at a certain unit of consumption, and then beyond that, if further consumption is continued, it decreases. Now, if that is number last one, this is the most important part for doing numerical problems. Whenever you find any numerical problem regarding relationship between TU and M and NU, complete the table, fill in the blanks. Always the first unit of marginal utility is equal to the total utility of one unit of consumption. That is all about the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. It is very simple. No need to panic about that. That is the simplest topic, because you already learnt about total and marginal utilities. The relationship can be summed up in 5 points. Whenever you are to write down the answer, write down these 5 points. That's all about the relationship between total utility and marginal utilities. Then the next video, I will put some other topic related to your subject, that is syllabus. I think this video would be useful for you guys, and you will learn from it. When you understood it clearly, then please like it, share it, and subscribe it. But don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification as early as I upload my next video. Thank you.